Introducing the cruise ship wristband, the revolutionary device that will make navigating the oceans safer for passengers as well as crew members. The cruise ship wristband combines a comfortable wearable wrist device with the latest technology to ensure safe passage on the high seas. This unique device and system not only allows instant location and rescue of a passenger that has fallen overboard, but also identifies who that passenger is. The way the wristband works is as follows. The passenger wears the wristband on the ship. Each wristband is unique to that passenger. In the event that the passenger falls overboard, using GPS, a signal is relayed to the safety personnel aboard the ship, and a drone is immediately sent to the area where the passenger fell overboard. The drone hones in on the wristband signal, hovers above the overboard passenger, and then releases a life vest. In addition, the drone has a camera that relays real-time images directly back to the ship. The wristband engages only when the passenger is out of the ship's signal area. The cruise ship wristband is a comfortable wearable device, similar to wearing a watch.